Make a great choice today with the 2011 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, side airbag system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.